Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a 6.4. AJ wants to put this in the Comanche, and I do think it's a good idea. Even though it's not a diesel, we'll allow it. So this one's got a spun bearing. We don't know how bad it is. I've got it. It's free to us. We are gonna get it on the stand and figure out how bad it really is and if it's worth rebuilding.
All right, take two on trying to start this thing. We actually have two batteries that are good. Let's see if this thing will start up.
All right, two good batteries. We got fuel. Let's see if we can make this thing roar to life. It is gonna smoke like a freight train. I think it might have a bad injector. I don't really know. I got it as a basket case, but here goes nothing. Oh, that sounds better. Don't worry about those. Where's the throttle at? There it is. It runs!
Sounds good.
Huh? Don't worry about all that. Oh, it's all that rattling. It runs! All right, next step.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we got an oil leak. Or is that a fuel leak?
I think that's fuel.
One of these. Oh, hey, that would do it. It's loose. It's one of the return lines loose. All right.
Well, that'll cause a fuel leak.
Now that we got it running, which is exciting because it hasn't run in 2 years, we're gonna go ahead and strip the whole front clip off of this. It's time to get this front motor mount down here attached instead of having it sit on a block of wood on the cross member.
It's looking pretty good. Got the fenders off, core support, all that. So let's get this front mount set up and hopefully on today, I'm hoping.
That'd be cool.
Okay.
Okay. This bracket here was on the engine when I bought it, but it's homemade. I got this guy right here we're gonna put in place and see what we can make work. Because right now we're sitting on a piece of press board, and this little bump here was an original bracket that went up to the sides of the frame. This is a very stout bracket. We can take this little bump out here and see if we can make fit. We probably should go ahead and get a jack and actually pick up on the motor so we can get this board out of here that's carrying the engine.
Stand by.
Keep going. So there is an insulator that's supposed to go between this bracket and whatever we have here. And unfortunately, I don't have that insulator because I wasn't sure if it was going to work.
We put the front drive shaft on the Comanche. Everything worked fine, except something's wrong. I don't know if the ring needs to be, or the carrier needs to be shimmed better, or if the pinion needs to be shimmed better, or there could be something else. So I want to pop this cover off, see what's going on, because it's really loud when we were driving. So four-wheel drive still worked, everything like that still worked. The guy that I bought this from said that they called it a lunchbox locker that's in this. I think it still worked. We tested it, seemed like it worked. But I want to pop this cover off, see what's going on back there, see what we got to fix, if we got to get parts or whatever. So let's pop this cover off and see what's going on. Doesn't look great. It doesn't look, yeah. There's some metallic in there. This is a pretty heavy duty little cover. Jeez, oh Pete's. It's thick.
It's 1/4-inch steel plate.
Dude, that thing's a beast.
Nice.
I'm not seeing any chunks yet. And actually the ring doesn't look beat up. Oh, but look at, let's see, can you see back right in there? You can see where the ring's tapping that big.
So what does it do?
Hold on, I can't see. Okay, go slower. Oh, interesting.
Huh, what's interesting?
The ring and pinion gear seem to be matched up. It's the middle part that's not engaging. See what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
So I wonder if the ring and pinion are okay, but there's something weird in that.
So why does it look like it's been touching that?
Right.
Unless it's a bad locker.
Well, and there you have it. Now, we're just as confused as we were before we took the plate off. I don't know, we'll figure it out later. Not sure, we'll have to start doing some research on this axle and figure out what we want. Could be as simple as shimming, but my guess is it's gonna be a little more than that.
Okay, we're knocking on one of the back 2 cylinders. Well, it's number 7.
Oh man, look at all that play.
Yeah. Yep, she's definitely spun. That's all that's left, a little sliver. Yeah, I don't think it's spun. But like you said, it wasn't far off. We got cracks here and here, and you can see the discoloration on both sides. And then that bearing, it's not spun, but it was trying. You can see that tab is bent over. It was trying to spin it. This block may not even be any good.
Sad Comanche.
And then this was number 2 main. It's also cracked, and it was trying to spin, but it didn't actually spin yet. But that's wild. You can see the discoloration. Oh yeah, look right there. Look at that main journal right there. That's bad. And then the other really bad one is up here. I thought I saw a spot. Ooh. Oh yeah, right there. You can see right there. That's pretty bad.
Well, it doesn't look like that's going in the Comanche.
Plan B.
6.0.
What's plan B, AJ? 6.0 power stroke in the Comanche. We know this engine's probably not usable, but we want to look at the cam because it looks really bad looking from the underside. Looks like the lobes are all eaten off. So what the heck, we might as well tear it down the rest of the way. Ooh, that one don't even want to come out. There's all your metal being caught by the cam. So we're gonna pull the cam out and see what it looks like. I can't get one lifter out, so I think that lifter's already toast too. But that's what's going through your engine when you spin a bearing. Junk.
Yeah, look at that.
All of them.
Yeah, look at that lobe right there. No bueno on that one. So they're all bad though. Maybe not all, but most of them.
I bet this right here is what took the engine out. This is what happens when the lifters fail. The bearings are gone, it's wore, the cams wore right into it, and then this sent metal throughout the engine and one by one took all the bearings out.
Well, even though this isn't gonna work, which is sad, it's exciting still because we're obviously gonna put a diesel in it. We don't know yet what motor we're gonna put in it. We're still kind of in discussions for that. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next builds. We're gonna be jumping on the Avalanche next week and getting, I think, suspension and some other things like that. We'll catch you next time.
I mean, I am disagreeing with you, but in an agreeable way. Oh, there's a light right there. I just looked at it. Well, don't do that. Which was I see that? Please. Isn't that what we just said? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Maybe I don't want to.